All right, guys, here she is. So she's got the 3 LED bars up front. It's a 16-foot John boat. It's got nice deck floor, solid. This crap right here, it's just from an old carpet that was on the boat. Same right here, so I got to take that off. You know, a little bit of TLC like this right here. I'll probably take this off anyways and put some camo sea deck down. That's what I'm thinking. Camo sea deck there, camo sea deck there, and then the front up there. And so it's already wired for these little lights, little LED lights. Kind of cool. 12-gallon gas tank, 6-gallon gas tank. Battery comes over here. It's got a little switch, but I think I'm gonna put a switch panel. I got a few plans for the boat. It's got the 25 horse Johnson 2-stroke. Runs really smooth. So what my plans are, you know, I got to do some stuff to it. It's already got some fishing rod holders here. There's one in the back as well. There's the other John boat back there. But I'm gonna actually build a box, a safe box for guns, and you know, make it a dry box as well. And I'm thinking it's gonna go from here till I don't know. Let me see. What are your guys' thoughts? I'm thinking it's gonna go from here, literally about this plank. It's gonna come up, right? So the top's gonna be wider than the bottom, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put it till about 60 inches. I think that'll be big enough. I don't know. I'm assuming it'll be big enough, and it should end about right here. So it'll go right here and come up, come over, about the same level as that. I don't know if I should come all the way, because if you're sitting here, it'd be kind of nice to have a little bit of room for your feet if you're sitting like this. And I think right here on the wall of the box, I can put the switch panel, so I can run all the lights, and it'll tell me my voltage and everything on the battery. So it's a pretty wide boat. That's one of the things I like about it. It's like 60 inches, I think, or something on the top. On the bottom it's 52. And yeah, guys, that's the new setup. Obviously I'm gonna paint it. It was sandblasted, so you can see little sparkles. I mean, that's just raw aluminum. It's all weld, no rivets. The only spot that has any intrusion is these little 2 screws right here, and for the bilge pump, a little hole. The trailer, it's actually a bass boat trailer, so it's a little bit bigger than this boat, but I do like that you can easily step on inside the boat with these little rails right here, and it's pretty solid. So another thing I want to do is get some kind of setup here with maybe a U-bolt and some PVC or something to make some guide rails, so that it's easier, since the trailer is a little bit bigger than the boat. it'll make it easier for the boat to you know, position itself on the trailer when you're going, especially on windy days. But there it is. It already has the hookup for a trolling motor. And like I said, the lights are already there. I'll probably put some lights in the box. I'm trying to see if I can make it out of aluminum. That way it doesn't add too much weight to the boat. And I don't want it to take too much space out up either. I just want enough to maybe put 2 or 3 guns and you know, whatever needs to stay dry. So I'll probably put some sea deck here, and on here. This is like I said, for the carpet. I mean, the carpet was on there and there in the front, so I just got to take that off. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what if you guys have any ideas. I got to give her a name. I mean, it's pretty solid. Look, you can tell where they stopped sandblasting. Trailer's solid, boat's solid.